Okay, hello YouTube viewers, I'm Spartan God 6969 and this is my kitten's first night home, and she's part Siamese and Calico, and this is her, I usually forget stuff, so if I tell you that this is her first night, I'm sorry, but I usually forget some stuff, but anywho, this is her, and she's very cute. Hi, Dusty. Yeah, and also her name's Dusty. Hi, Dusty. Dusty. Hi, baby girl. And she's very full of energy. Did you crap? What the fuck do I smell? Okay, I think you farted. Oh my god. Oh! Wow. And that cat has some stanky ass. Alright, Dusty, time for you to try and get a nap in. Because tomorrow you might be heading down to my aunt's. Okay, because you might want to visit her. Okay? Okay, if you like her, then please send me a a comment if you like her, and I would very much appreciate it if you could give me a subscribe. So thank you, and have a nice day or night, whatever your time zone is. Or alright, peace.